hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we will learn English through a warm and inspiring story. The title of today's story is The Small Café. In this lesson, you will improve your listening, learn useful vocabulary practice speaking English, so relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. In a quiet street of a small town, there was a tiny cafe. It was called Sunny Cafe. The cafe was not big. It had only 5 tables and a small counter. But people loved it. The owner of the cafe was a young woman named Mia. Mia had always loved coffee. When she was younger, she dreamed of opening her own cafe. Not a big one, just a warm place where people could relax. Every morning, Mia woke up early. She opened the cafe at 7 a.m. The smell of fresh coffee filled the room. Soon, the first customers arrived. Mr. Brown came every morning. He always ordered a cup of black coffee. "Good morning, Mia," he said with a smile. "Good morning, Mr. Brown," Mia replied. Later, a group of students came in. They ordered coffee and small cakes. They sat by the window and talked about school. In the afternoon, the cafe became quiet. Soft music played in the background. Sunlight came through the windows. One day, a traveler walked into the cafe. He looked tired. Mia greeted him warmly. "Welcome, please sit down," she said. The traveler ordered coffee and a sandwich. After eating, he smiled. "This is the best coffee I have had all week," he said. Mia felt very happy. Slowly, more and more people discovered the small cafe. They liked the peaceful atmosphere. They liked the delicious coffee. But most of all, they liked Mia's kindness. The small cafe became a special place in the town, and Mia realized something important. Sometimes small places create the biggest happiness. Now, let's learn some important words from the story. Café. A cafe is a small restaurant that serves coffee and light food. Example, Mia owns a small cafe. Customer. A customer is a person who buys something from a store or restaurant. Example, many customers visit the cafe every day. Traveler. A traveler is a person who is visiting different places. Example, a traveler stopped at the cafe. Atmosphere. Atmosphere means the feeling of a place. Example, the cafe has a peaceful atmosphere. Now let's listen again. This time, listen slowly and repeat. Mia opened a small cafe. She worked hard every day. Many people came to visit. They enjoyed the coffee. They enjoyed the peaceful place. The small cafe became very popular. Mia was happy because her dream came true. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. I like drinking coffee. This cafe is very nice. The atmosphere is peaceful. I enjoy spending time here. Excellent work. Great job today. You just learned English through the story The Small Cafe. Remember, even small dreams can create wonderful places. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more English learning stories. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning English.